Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm a product training specialist here at Thermador, and today I want to walk you through how to operate some basic controls and settings on your refrigerator and or freezer. Depending on your model, you may have some different control. You can easily control the temperature of your preservation system by pressing the edit button. If you have a freezer column, you'll see one temperature that corresponds with the temperature of your freezer column. If you have a fridge column, you'll see two temperatures. The top number is for the overall compartment. The bottom number indicates the ThermaFresh Pro compartment display. This compartment is perfect to chill items such as champagne, seafood, or anything else you may want as you're preparing for your next gathering, as this drawer is a completely separate temperature from the rest of your column. If your model has a bottom freezer or refrigerator, you'll have two temperatures. The top number corresponds with the refrigerator and the bottom temperature corresponds with the freezer.
Use the Edit button to select changing the first or second temperature on the display. Repeatedly press the plus or minus buttons until the display indicates the desired temperature. Confirm the selection by clicking the Confirm button. If the button is not pressed, the appliance stores the settings and automatically returns to the main screen after a few seconds. You can easily navigate to settings by selecting the Settings button. In the Settings menu, you will find Appliance Settings. These will vary depending on your model. These settings can include Cleaning Mode, Vacation Mode, Ice Cube Production, Reset Water Filter Counter, and Eco Mode. Additional settings can be found in the Appliance Settings menu, which we'll cover later. Sometimes you may not want to have Ice Cube Production on in your freezer. You can modify this by simply switching Ice Cube Production off. To do this, press Settings on your display. Use the arrow to go to Ice Cube Production. You can now either stop or start Ice Cube Production by selecting the button in the bottom right.
Getting ready to head off on that much needed holiday? Don't forget about your refrigerator. It's the hardest working appliance in your home. And set it to vacation mode, which will save energy in your absence. First, make sure you remove all of the food from the refrigerator as the temperature will be set to 57 degrees Fahrenheit when it's on vacation mode, which will cause food to spoil. The freezer compartment though, however, will remain unchanged. The Ice Cube Production though will stop.
To enable vacation mode, select settings from your display. Use the arrow button to navigate to vacation mode. You can press the stop or start button to enable or disable the setting. When you return to switch off vacation mode, simply press the button on the start screen, then head to the store and restock. In the appliance settings, you'll find submenus and setting options that include brightness, key press sound, key volume, signal tone volume, automatic clean lock, automatic opening door, theater mode, temperature unit, home network, language, Sabbath mode, and more. To navigate here, you will select settings from the display and then use the arrow to navigate to the appliance settings. Click the Confirm button to select and access all the appliance settings. Did you know you can adjust the brightness of your control panel? It's easy. First, select Settings from the display. Use the arrow to navigate to the appliance settings and press Confirm. And select Edit. Use the arrow buttons to set the desired brightness. To save the setting, press Confirm. Press the back button to exit the menu.
The SuperCool feature is a great way to get large quantities of groceries back down to temperature quickly after arriving home from shopping or errands and is available on your refrigerator. This feature is helpful because when you introduce new items into a cavity, it can potentially warm up that cavity and the other item. You can also use this feature to cool drinks quickly. By activating SuperCool, the refrigerator compartment will drop to the lowest temperature.
To use SuperCool, start by pressing the Edit button. Press the temperature icon and confirm. To turn off SuperCool, start by pressing the Edit button. Press the temperature icon and confirm.
SuperFreeze cools the freezer compartment as cold as possible. This allows you to place food in the freezer to get those items back down to temperature quickly. This is great when you're bringing home food from the grocery store or after your food has been delivered.
To use SuperFreeze, start by pressing the Edit button. Then select the freezer compartment. Next, press SuperFreeze. To turn off the SuperFreeze feature early, navigate back to the freezer compartment, select SuperFreeze, and press Confirm. Now SuperFreeze is off.
The Open Door Assist feature allows you the flexibility to either push or pull to open. Push to open allows those beautiful handleless installation. Simply press on the door and the appliance will open just a crack to assist you. If you are going with a handle, you can take advantage of the pull to open feature. This feature supports you in opening the door as you pull on the handle. The soft close on our refrigeration also provides a quiet experience each time you open or close the door.
You can turn off the auto door opening feature at any time. You can do this by clicking Open, Auto Door Opening, and select Off. For push to open, you can adjust the force from low, medium to high, as well as the duration from 1 to 10 seconds. If you have kids or pets, it can make sense to have a shorter duration set for the automatic closing. For the pull to open feature, you can navigate to the same section outlined before, to the auto door opening, and then select Pull to Open System, click Confirm, then select the opening force menu item. Here you can activate the level of force required to activate.
Activating Sabbath Mode will switch off all non-essential functions on the appliance, making it usable on the Sabbath. The appliance will turn off the ice maker, switch off audible signals, the interior lights, messages on the display, and the illumination of the background display is reduced.
In order to utilize Sabbath Mode, you must first add it to the Settings menu. Select Settings from the display, use the arrow to navigate to the Appliance Settings, and press Confirm. Use the arrow to navigate to the Sabbath Mode option and press Edit. Use the arrow and navigate to the menu item Available, press Confirm, press the back button to exit the menu. Now that Sabbath Mode has been added to the menu, select Settings from the menu. Press the Sabbath button. You can now select one of the pre-settings or change the duration with the plus and minus symbols for time. Press Start to enable Sabbath Mode. After the selected time elapses, the appliance will switch back to normal operations. To end Sabbath Mode before the time elapses, you'll navigate to the setting and press the Stop button.